How to find hidden apps on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Settings application on your phone. Scroll down, navigate to Privacy from the Settings section and tap to open it. Tap Privacy next to Permissions. Under Privacy Protection, you will see Hide Apps. Tap to open it, and you simply need to enter your privacy passwords to access Hide applications. After that, you will reach on Hide Apps section where you see all your applications. Simply to choose or find your hidden apps, tap Hidden next to All, and these are all your hidden application on Android. If you wish to unhide, simply you need to toggle off the button in this way, and then the application will be on hidden. So in this way you can successfully find hidden apps on Android. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.